Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Silverware Basket Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Silverware Basket Assembly. The Silverware Basket Assembly is located in the lower dish rack and holds the silverware. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull the lower rack out and we can lift the silverware basket out of the rack. Here's the old silverware basket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put it in, you want to make sure that these tabs right here go onto the rack right here. All you have to do is set it in place. Once you have it in, you can push the lower dish rack back in, close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.